Hi everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am so excited to finally sit down and film this video for you guys. Today I will be sharing my skincare routine because I am a licensed esthetician. So I figured I would just share the products that I use every single day and the ones that I know are amazing and love. So without further ado, let's get into the video.
Wow, 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 whoa, oh.
My little skincare headband thingy. I don't know how to do this cutely. Does cutely work? No. Okie dokie. So cute. Okay, so first things first, you always want to start off with a really good cleanser, and not a lot of people know this, but you're definitely supposed to wash your face twice at night and once in the morning, because if you think about it, all of the like dirt and makeup and like grime and everything throughout the day, it kind of just sits in your pores, and one wash honestly isn't enough. So in order to remove all of that, you should definitely do it twice. So I use this one and this one. This one is from Image. It's called Ormedic Balancing Facial Cleanser. And we used this line in school and I loved it. It's very soothing and calming, and it balances the pH in your skin. And after you use this, you don't actually need a toner. So honestly, this one is amazing. It's from Image again. Definitely 10 out of 10 would recommend. This one is a clarifying cleanser. It's from brand MD and it has salicylic acid in it, which is really good for if you have acne prone skin or breakouts or anything. So if my skin is a little more like broken out, I'll use this one instead. Salicylic acid is also really good because it exfoliates inside of the pores to reduce congestion. So after you cleanse your skin, you always want to apply toner. I use this one from brand MD and I honestly love it because when you spray it on your skin, it's super minty and it leaves your skin feeling so refreshed. So toner is really good for getting rid of dead skin. It also temporarily shrinks pore size, and it removes dirt and cellular debris still stuck in your pores even though you washed your face twice and everything else. So toner is a must for sure. Step number 3 is hyaluronic acid. I absolutely love hyaluronic acid because I used to have super dry skin. So when you spray your toner, you want to put this on immediately after, and you don't want to let it dry because when the hyaluronic acid goes on dry, it actually dries out your skin. It's the weirdest thing, and I actually know that from experience. I use this one from Tarte. It's called Mermaid Skin, and it is the best. Hang on, I have a really good definition of hyaluronic acid on my skincare account that I'd rather just read. Hyaluronic acid is a water-attracting molecule that creates super soft, hydrated skin. It's a heavyweight hydrator, retaining up to 1,000 times its weight in water. That's why it's super important to apply it after you wash your face while it's still damp. Because if you don't, it actually dries out your skin. It's the weirdest thing. So definitely apply this after your toner when your skin is still damp, but every other time after that, you want to use your fan to dry your products, because you should always wait 2 to 3 minutes in between products to let them dry and like penetrate super deep. So after that, I use my cute little CE Ferulic Vitamin C Serum. Vitamin C is amazing for so many reasons. This is from SkinCeuticals and it is the best vitamin C serum you can get on the market, I promise you. Honestly, look it up, it will say that. SkinCeuticals actually patented the amount of vitamin C that they put into their product. So any other vitamin C serums, they just really don't compare. This one has the highest, so it helps with reducing dark spots, it brightens your entire complexion, it protects against stressors in the environment, so like just like environmental stressors and dirt and debris and pollution, everything. Good anti-aging serum. It's honestly the best. This has honestly changed the texture of my skin as well. It's crazy. Vitamin C is the way to go, 100%. You just like take little drops, drop, and then pat it into the pores. And then I go in with my fan and fan, because you want to wait 2 to 3 minutes in order to let them like dry and go deeper into the pores. So the next step that I do is eye cream. I love this eye cream. It's from Neocutis. It's called Lumiere, and it actually has caffeine in it, so it helps. That's what like makes your eyes look more awake, and it helps reduce the darkness in your under eye. And I have the darkest under eyes because I honestly have really deep set eyes. So this helps with color and puffiness, everything. It is amazing. And your final step is SPF. If you do not apply any other products, apply SPF. This is my favorite one. This is from Image. It is Prevention Plus, and it's 32 SPF. Please apply SPF because sun damage is real and it's horrible and you do not want it. SPF is so important for anti-aging, protect against sun damage, everything, especially living in Florida. Like, it's so important. It just protects your skin all around. Like, you just need to apply every single second of every single day. So this is my favorite SPF, and I 10 out of 10 would recommend. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I really hope to be consistent with this. I'm so excited, and thank you guys so much for watching. If you're from Instagram or anything, leave your Instagram in the comments, and I just want to see who like swiped up and watched this. Thank you so much. Love you all. Bye.
Wow, 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 whoa, oh. Yeah, I wouldn't trust a soul, cause I know that they don't trust me. Please don't act like you know me, because it could get ugly. Know some people that would switch up.
Because I am a licensed esthetician, so I figured I would sit down and not ever talk into the camera ever again. And it controls excess oil while all this cutely. Is cutely a word? No. Like CVS or something. Oh my god, my forehead looks huge. Hang on. No, that doesn't look good either. I actually use two little babies. Anyways, okay. I'm not good at this. And it is the best. I don't know why. Attaining up to 1,000 times its weight in reduces the dark spots. What? Because it helps. Oh my god. Because when you spray it on, or I don't want to add that in, never mind. Like the environmental stressors in the environment. So it's super organic, and like the entire line is super organic. I'm not good at this. Yeah. I hate this so much.